Hey family, welcome back to Urban Girl Gardening and Lifestyle. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. I see you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being here. And to all my seasoned subscribers, thank you for your continued support and for sticking around. Please go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. We are doing the third addition to the plant shelf. This is my final unboxing. I will leave the links to Plant Shelf Part 1 and Plant Shelf Part 2 in the description box and also in the comment section below. New videos drop Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure your notifications are set so you do not miss one. So let's hop right in. The first plant we are opening up is the Colocasia Mojito. Isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful. Unfortunately, it's very yellow. I don't think it liked to travel. I'm pretty sure these plants all came from Florida, if I'm not mistaken. The next plant is, again, these are starter plants. This is the Philodendron Black Cardinal, and it's so cute and tiny. You can see the picture there on the side, how it's gonna look as it grows, as long as I take care of it. Those roots, first of all, the soil is really moist. The roots look really good, so I'm happy with that one. But let's take a look at the roots of the Colocasia Mojito, and you can see that soil is very dry, so that could be why it's yellowing and why it looks like that. The next plant we are opening up is my fave, and that is the polka dot plant, Hypoestes pink. I hope I said that correctly. Yeah, that one is absolutely gorgeous, and the roots on that one look kind of dry too, but no, they're not too bad. But the plant is absolutely beautiful, so beautiful. The leaves are gorgeous. And the last plant that we are unboxing is the Calathea Dottie. As you can see, I wanted plants that were a little different, had a little power, a little pizzazz to them. I'm kind of obsessed with the detail on this plant. That pink up against the black is really pretty to me, really different. And the underleaf, that purplish plum color, oh, it's really gorgeous. And we already have another leaf coming in. Those roots are strong looking and the soil was moist, so that's why, you know, that plant looks really healthy. So there I have my Pro Mix potting mix, and I just added a whole bunch more perlite to the mix because I wanted to make sure that the soil had good drainage, that the plants wouldn't get waterlogged, just make the soil like really nice and fluffy and aerated for the plant's roots to spread and do what they gotta do, child. I went into the garage and I went and picked some small pots. The suggestion from the Etsy seller, whose information I will leave in the description box, the suggestions was that the starter plants be put into 3 to 4 inch pots. The larger pots that I have, the nursery pots that I use for my other plants, are 6 inches. So I went into the garage to find 4-inch starter plants, 4-inch pots for these starter plants, and I found these little green ones, and then I wanted to find more pots for them to go in, and I found these cute little pots that I had in there. Some of them are from my mother-in-law's collection that she had, and I figured it'd be a good way to pay homage to her to use some of her things in my house as well. Just, you know, keep her around. So we're going to fill these pots up, and we are going to pot these plants up. So first up to be potted up is the Philodendron Black Cardinal. Now, if you've watched my previous houseplant videos, then you know how I do my plant care before I pot them up. So I didn't show this part, but now I'll show you the second part of the cleanup. In that blue bottle, I have dish detergent and peroxide diluted with water, and I spray the roots as well as the leaves and wipe the leaves down before I put my new plants into their home, and that one is going in that cute little basket there. Next up, we're gonna pot up Miss Calathea Dottie. She's so pretty. She's just so cute and unique. So we're gonna wipe her down, and for her, I think we're going to put her, we're going to put her right in there. And you know what? I didn't realize when I was doing this that I had that backwards. The green part is supposed to go inside of the black part. So I ended up fixing that later on, but you'll see that. Anyway, so she looks great there for now, and I don't know why I want to use that fishbowl. Maybe, I don't know, I just think it's really cute, and I want my plant shelf to be like unique. Maybe I'll throw like some beads or some jewels or something in there and make it pop. We'll see. So now Mr. Colocasia Mojito, he's gonna go, at first I was gonna put him in that pink pot, but I changed my mind. So I went ahead and put him in that stone pot, but those leaves are really worrying me, guys. That yellowing, and it just didn't look healthy at all. But I went ahead and I potted it up anyway, and I might as well just tell you guys now, it took about 2 days before those leaves shriveled up, but that is my fault. All of the other plants that came had really moist roots except for this one, and this one of all the plants is the one that likes to stay moist, and I didn't water it because I was trying to put the plants on my regular plant watering schedule. This one I forgot needed to be watered, so it took about 2 or 3 days before it was just like, you know what, I ain't want to be here, no way, I'm done. But it was cute. It was cute while it lasted. I'm definitely going to order another one though. I'll just order a full-size plant or a larger plant instead of the small starter plant. Anywho, let's move on to Miss Polka Dot, my little pink baby here. Of course, the right choice for her was the pink pot all along, and we're just going to clean her up, get her settled, and you guys will see she looks so cute in there. So here I ran into a little bit of a hiccup. The pot was sinking into the pink pot and the plant was kind of disappearing. So I just used a little bit of the tissue paper, crumbled it up, put it on the bottom, and gave that nursery pot a little bit of height. And you all know how I get down. Last but not least, I'm going to throw on my perlite. That is my fungus gnat protector. That is my moisture control, and it looks so pretty. So here are the starter plants with the full-size plants that I got from Bros with Hose, but I went to a Wally World and they had some plants, so you know I had to get some. I picked up a teddy bear vine, which is absolutely beautiful. Look at the pink under the leaves. It really is fuzzy like a teddy bear. It has a lot of new growth. Like, that plant is doing really well. I picked up, oh yeah, I divided it. So I got 2 plants out of that one. I just have to figure out where I want to hang the bigger one, but look how beautiful those leaves are. And you can see the fuzz on them and the shine. It's really nice. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, that is the black cardinal, and it's over there with this plant here. This was one plant, y'all. I took that one plant. I don't remember the name of it. I don't remember where I put the tags, but I took that one plant and I divided it and I got 3 plants out of it. Look at that. And it's also doing really well. And then you see I switched that around, but I'm still not liking that pot. But look, that new leaf is opening up, so it likes it here. This one is doing great too. You can see a set of new leaves at the top and then a little bit of green coming out of that set of leaves. So these babies like it here. So the Mojito didn't make it, but the other ones made it. Here's another new plant. This one was one big plant as well. You can see a new leaf popping up out of that one. I divided the one plant and I got this one and this one. And you can see new leaves at the top there. This plant needs to be wiped down though. So I'll hop on that, y'all. I hear y'all talking about me already. Stop talking about me. Yeah, so I got some new growth there. And so overall, I'm doing good, y'all. Overall, I'm doing good. We took one L, but there's nothing we can do about it. I will find another plant. But that is it. Thank you guys for coming along my plant shelf journey. I'm actually going to buy another one. I really, really appreciate you guys hanging out with me. This was a lot of fun putting this together. Learn with me, grow with me. I love y'all for real. Bye.